लो बच्चों, let's see the question. The figure shows the elliptical orbit of a planet small m about the sun s. Okay, this is the figure in which the small m is the planet which is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. The shaded area SCD, okay, as this area is twice the shaded area SAB. SAB. This is the half. This is the twice of SAB. If T1 is the time for the planet to move from C to D and T2 is the time to move from A to B, then these are the relations for T1 and T2. We should tell which one is the correct. So let's see the key concept of this question. Key concept of this question is Kepler's second law, which says that the aerial velocity of the planet remains constant. That means for any two areas, dA1 over D1 will be equal to the dA2 over dt. Okay, you can write this also as A1 upon A1 is the area covering in time T1 and A2 is the area covering time T2. Okay, so A1, let's assume A1 is the area T1 time from move C to D. So area SD, because वो T1 टाइम में कहाँ से C से D जाता है, T1 में कहाँ से जा रहा है C से D. तो हमारा T1 टाइम में जो A1 है वो क्या हो जाएगा एरिया SCD and A2 will become area S. Okay, so according to the question SCD is twice. Okay, SCD, that means A1 is twice the area SAB. SAB का कितना है twice. So A1 is equal to A2. So on putting 2 A2 upon T1 is equal A2 upon T2. Okay, A2 cancel. So this implies that T1 is equal to, okay, so let's match the option. T1 is equal to T2. Fourth option is correct. I hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.